dare
Are you mad?
Are you stupid?
Come on, get out.
What do you mean by obviously the wife?
Can you shut up?
Liar. You're a liar. Because joining your friend to fight for man. A disgrace.
This babe here, she looks very bitter.
As a person, I'm going to tell you, Onyeka, you're a very horrible person, and I'm saying this with my full chest.
Hey guys, at this point, I like what this night to express how I feel for this particular episode in reunion. But I have one word or two for Onyeka. Do not make the best speech you regret just because of national TV. You want to create a scene and tell the world how you know how to talk. And then for Nelly, don't buy another person's enemy, because that's what I just observed in what happened this night. Like maybe someone confided in you and told you something and you went to spill. It was bloody. Make I just leave and follow now like this. I will do long video later in the day to explain what happened this night. See you guys in my next video. Bye.